Hi, I'm Carrie Cole, Global Brand Ambassador for Becca Cosmetics, and today I'm going to talk to you about our mineral blush. It's a delicate blush infused with microfine minerals. It delivers a soft, focused glow, the finish is natural, and it flatters all skin tones. Now I'll take our mineral blush in Flower Child, and you're just going to find the apple of your cheek, and then blend back, and you can see it's that beautiful, soft, diffused color. Now I'm going to have Shanti use our mineral blush in the shade Nightingale. This shade has a little more punch of color, but it's still soft and subtle on the skin. Now Destiny's going to use the shade Songbird on the apple of her cheeks and then just blend it in. It's a beautiful wash of delicate pink on her skin. It's like a little whisper of color. You girls look absolutely amazing. I love the natural flush of blush.